come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully, and y'all know every now and then I go out my way to bring something new for you guys, something different, innovative, something different from the grain. I came across a project. Now it is called Ethburn, okay? Ethburn, and they also have another token that helps with the utilities and the growth of the main project called Babyethburn. Okay, now, but what I'm over here to talk to you mainly about is this Ethburn, how it's paying people out. It's hyper deflationary. It's just something a little different, and plus they have a working casino and lottery, which is rare. I just came across one with the dice roll and a bandit project, and this one they just go the extra length with this one. I'm gonna go deeper into these right after you guys. Y'all already know the drill. Head over to the YouTube channel, like this video, because y'all know I'm bringing that content. I'm bringing the hidden gems to you when you need it most during this bear market. And we all know this is the time where the most wealth is made. So make the right decisions, hop into this, like this video, okay? Engage with that notification bell, and then marry the subscribe button. You already know the vibes. We on that push to 10,000 subscribers. Now let's jump straight into this Ethburn. Whoa, it's giving me Mario vibes, all right? With a 16-bit layout, or just 8-bit. I can't remember what they call it. But this Ethburn right here, you could buy directly from their own swap and go into the dApps from here. I'm gonna just give a quick run through. Okay, Ethburn token is a gas optimized hyper deflationary BEP 20 Ethereum reward token. So before I go deeper, what that means is, although this is paying you out in ETH tokens, this is on a Binance Smart Chain, people. So this project is on a Binance Smart Chain, and they're paying you out in Ethereum, but you utilize this Ethereum on your Binance. So it's basically like Ethereum without the fees, okay? And I believe that's on their migration of Ethereum. They're gonna try to work on more of this stuff to avoid some of these gas fees. All right, so let's get back into this reward token built on a Binance Smart Chain and dedicated to the ETH 2.0 migration. Every holder will automatically be allocated 5% BEP 20 Ethereum on every transaction based on their holding percentage. Okay, so based on your holding percentage, you get 5% of allocations on taxes. All right, people, which then gets automatically airdropped to their wallets. All right, hold and watch Ethereum stack and grow while you sleep. Ethburn provides a hyper deflationary token model utilizing buybacks and auto chain burning to guarantee a rise of price floor by reduction of the total circulating supply. Okay, so what that means is that all these transactions, the buys, the sells, a percentage of this, I believe is 1%, is paid, is actually burned. And what that means is it's taken out. The coin is sent to a dead wallet and it's actually burned. That way is an increase in the price of the token. Right now the total supply is 1 million. 10% on buys, 10% on sales, 5%, excuse me, I bit my lip, 5% transfer taxes to transfer between wallets. All right, and it shows right here 1% goes to that true burn on the buys and the sales. All right, 1% goes to market, 1% to the dev, 2% to the LP, 5% to the BEP 20 rewards. Okay, so it's 5% on each of these. So from what I've been hearing from people that's actually in this project, they've been making about 15% a day. This is crazy. All right, this is a coin. I actually have it pulled up right here. If you guys look from it was originally launched about a month ago, it's been holding a nice decent floor in the past month after that initial pump, and then you know how it goes when these tokens launch. But it seemed like it's been holding the floor for the past month, getting back to that stable place. I think this is a real good place to buy in. All right, it's at 14 cents right now. People are starting to hear more about this project, and something that I'm very bullish on especially since hearing about this, is the things that they had to offer. For example, the lottery. But hold up, before I even get into that, one of my personal favorites of doing research on this project has been the casino. Oh my god. The games right here in the casino, you can access it by going to the main page, going to the bottom, and hold up, is this where it was at? There's a roadmap. They mostly got a lot of things on their roadmap to, and go right here to casino, and they'll open up games. My god, they got coin flip, deck cut, dice call, high or low, blackjack, my favorite, high roller, low roller, sue call, black or red, and horse race. What? And this is I believe this is utilizing a token, FRT token. Is that Farmageddon is where they're, I guess, partnering with for the casino part of this. And they also have pools where you could stake both the Ethburn token. Wait, I had some opened up right here. Let's see if I can find that back. You could stake that. Let's see if I can find that pair really quickly. Earn. There go one right there where you could earn the burning token by staking the CFG, and this is about 146% yearly, so that's about like 0.4% a day. Okay, so it's not that bad if you want to jump into some of these pools and stuff like that, and these farms that they have available. Let me see. Yeah, this is what I was looking at earlier right here. See, you could earn FRT by staking. Here you go. Babyethburn. That's the backup coin, or not the backup, but the secondary coin for this project. All right, you could stake burning and earn FRT. And these ones are a little bit higher paying out, so they're probably more volatile. Okay, just something good to look into. You guys can go to the page, go through the white papers like I have. Look at these different things they got going on. It seemed like it's a nice ecosystem. I was on the Telegram group. That's how I found the token address for the rewards token and everything like that. So you guys could definitely check that out. But from what I'm seeing, this casino is looking good. It's looking good. It's as simple as this. You go here. If you don't know, you could go, you connect your wallet, go right to details. You could guess heads or tails. Choose heads or tails. Select and place bet. Flip coin. Winning payouts. Guess correctly and you win 2x. What? Winnings are approximately based on payout rate. Guess wrong, you lose. And all of these is pretty much that. We all know the rules of blackjack. Get 21 or higher than the dealer. Select, place bet, hit draw to add another card. Hold when you're happy. If you beat the house, you win. Bet house, 2x win. Winnings plus your bet. Wow. And they have an actually working casino. I don't gotta go to Vegas. I don't gotta worry about the plane ticket. The plane ticket money, I could put it into this, the Farmageddon games. Yeah, I mean, with Ethburn and Babyeth. And now I have been, like I said, I have been looking at both of these coins, the Ethburn and the Babyeth. And in the past month or so, they both been pretty steady in their price. Like, they're finding their floor. I believe that when more people find out about this, it will be a large pump. Okay, I'll probably do another video of me doing a live buy-in. But if you guys are interested in new things, a breath of fresh air, check out Ethburn and Babyethburn. Okay, I think I'm very bullish on it. This is the Babyethburn dashboard. You can see their coin is at 2 cents right now. Okay, it shows you how much people are holding it. This will have their personal staking coming soon. It shows you rewards as it build up and stuff like that. And it says pending rewards come from the dividend that distribution of Babyethburn earnings to its shareholders. Dividends are often distributed when a specific block is reached and will be paid out in Ethburn, which can be used as a form of reinvestment for additional tokens. So as they pay out, you could just circulate it and have a money loop. And it's similar with the Ethburn DApp itself. Pretty similar. If you look right here, the price of this one is at 14 cents. Okay, Similar layout. Okay, same thing right here. But this one, it pays out an Ethereum token. All right. So the Ethburn actually pays you out in Ethereum, which is crazy to me because it's basically cross chain. So it's actually Ethereum pegged BEP20 token. So it's on the Binance Smart Chain, but it's pegged to Ethereum. So it's following the same exact price of Ethereum. And right now Ethereum is at 1,300. And for all those people that really believe that we're in a recession, we're in a bear market, this is the time to be holding these tokens and actually building a bag with these tokens. So as we enter these bull markets that's coming soon, as we enter these bull markets, we know we got a big payout waiting for us. Imagine when this get back to its high. In the last year, Ethereum reached a high of 4,890 tokens. That is crazy. I said tokens, dollars. $4,891 in the past year. And the highs for the month is 1,700. So right now is a good time to start stacking up, getting in on these things low. And this is giving you a good chance to invest in Ethereum without dealing with Ethereum fees. And everybody that had to deal with a DAO or a dApp on Ethereum, you guys know exactly where I'm coming from. You know exactly where I'm coming from. So I don't want to make this video too long. I'm bullish. Check it out. Check out Ethburn, Babyethburn, Farmageddon games, the casino, the lottery where you pick numbers, yo. And take a look through these white papers, okay? So it breaks down all these things, and I took a good look through it. It shows the buys and sell taxes, how much is burned, the transfers, the team. I don't know. It's very rare I come across a project I'm like, oh yeah, this seems like, yeah. And this definitely seems like one. It seems innovative. They're trying to get a step up on the migration of the Ethereum, and yeah. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am Nasa Benkabi. This is DeFi Bully. Invest what you're willing to lose, and just be smart about it. You know what I mean? Take calculated risk and take calculated decisions in life. If you guys really want to make it to be a millionaire, you have to invest in yourself. You have to invest in things that has a potential of 10x, 100x, 1000x. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Let's be smart about it. And stay blessed, stay safe, people. All right.
I get paid to entertain, and all of this is entertainment.